Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot Tutorials. Today we are discussing cup suit. So first of all, we will be knowing what is cups. As we know from the shape or by the name of this, cups are a vessel which is used to collect liquid. Here, what do I mean by liquid? Here, cups in tarot, what the cups represent. As we know, the liquid could be emotions. When we talk about emotions, we say emotion flows. So, we are treating emotion as a liquid. So, cups represents your relationship, your emotions, your intuition, your gut feeling, and all that. So in this lesson, again we will be learning how easily we can read our card, and we do not need to spend much time. We do not go and look for the traditional meaning. Though traditional meanings are there for the reference, that also you can refer. But instead, I always appreciate create your own meaning, understand your card well rather than learning and memorizing. When you are creating your own meaning, when you are creating the meaning which you got it through your intuition. For example, I am very much connected to this card. So whenever I will see this card, I will have a different kind of feeling and different meaning will come. So I do not need to memorize the meaning. Instead, I am immediately going to get to know what kind of vibes this card is going to give me while doing the reading. So let's start the reading. Again, it is going to be very interesting. You can read your cards with confidence. Traditional meaning you refer if you wish, but I would appreciate if you are going to read your cards in a flow, and it is very simple also. So let's start our cups journey. In this lecture, we are going to do aces to 3 of cups. So let's start the journey. Ace of cups, first card of the cups suit. What does it say? When you look into the picture, what it says, there is a cup and the water is flowing out. What does it mean? The cup must be full, and whatever the capacity of this, more than that the water was there, so it is just flowing out. So it shows you are alone, you are single, and emotions are flowing out. You need a company. Someone should be there to collect this emotion, otherwise it will just simply go out, right? So when you are alone, you will look for the company. What will happen when you look for the company? Emotions are positive, it will attract someone. Ace of Cup is a very positive card. Even all the aces are positive, and all the cards are having positive as well negative meanings. So when we are alone, we are looking for a partner, either a life partner or the business partner or any kind of relationship, because whole life we cannot be alone. So what happened? When we little move further, what has happened? I met someone. For example, this is me. I was alone. Little bit I moved out because I am showing my emotions outside. So someone will be attracted. So I just moved to the next level. What has happened? I met someone. Here you see the cups, they are just interchanging. The cups, they are exchanging. This seems to be the two person have met, and it is going to create a balance. Here you see the serpent. This shows the balance, and we know that 2 is the duality. 2 shows always duality. So there is possibility. This is positive person, this is negative person. Could be I am negative here, the person is positive. So in this positive and negative, we should know how to create balance. So balance is required to manage this relationship. Again, if I am reading this card I got here, I can see a house. It's very far and we are meeting here. So there is possibility I met someone very far away from my house. I am not very near to my house. I am away from my house. Or it is possibility I am not informing my people and I am meeting this person silently. So okay, now I met someone, so this could be a partnership. Might be you are planning to start something, you got some idea, you are alone, you are looking to execute something. So again, I got a partnership. I met a person who is the perfect match for me, so I can start my own work. I can go into a relationship, anything where the two person can be involved. So this talks about collaboration, partnership, relationship. It shows the soulmate also. Such kind of meaning we are getting from the two. Now what happened when we met two people? Now we want to celebrate. So what we'll do? We will call our some of the friends and family people and we are going to celebrate. For example, I started a business. We came into an agreement. After agreement, when the agreement is finalized, so it is a time for the celebration. So we moved into third card, 3 of Cups. This shows creatively you have to manage this whole thing. This shows the celebration. Many people are there. The 3 people are there who are celebrating, 3 different people. So this I have thrown a party and people are enjoying, people are celebrating because it's a good time. We have to celebrate. So what I have done? I was alone. My emotions were overwhelming. I was willing to meet someone. I am very much creative. I am trying to do something. I got a company. I entered into an agreement. This shows the relationship, the marriage also it shows. I entered into a relationship, a partnership, a collaboration I am doing with someone, and this collaboration, after this collaboration, when things are finalized, it's a time for celebration. We are going to celebrate this time because after this meeting, my purpose is getting solved. I am getting some benefit. Here you see the flowers, the fruits, lot of things are there. So all the things you are having available to enjoy the time. So this shows the good time of our life. Ace of Cups, it shows sometimes fertility. If you look at the shape, is look like a womb. And this pigeon kind of thing, the bird, it is dropping something. So at times you may have the feeling of, this is a card of pregnancy. So if this card comes in a reading, definitely it shows the pregnancy. And if Ace of Cups comes with the any pages, Page of Cups, Page of Wands, it shows definitely a pregnancy, a kid is coming. Two of Cups, this is also very positive card. When it comes, it talks about a relationship, it talks about an agreement. Always it talks about a balance. But as we know, all cards are having negative side also. So whatever positive meaning you got, when you are having a negative vibes, this card is getting me negative meaning, you just reverse the meaning. Here if it shows I am waiting for some relationship or I am launching for some relationship, in negative meaning what it is going to say, you could be a relationship, now you are going to stay alone, and these could be your, earlier we discussed, this could be your happiness. Lot of happy emotions are flowing through. It will become your tear. You will become very sad person, sadistic. Always you are sitting and crying. Though you are having a good support also, still you will sit and cry, such kind of thing. Or you wanted to stay alone. You are bugged up with this many things and you wanted to stay alone. So how we are interpreting the meaning, I hope you would have liked the meaning. You may get more meaning. This is a very limited meaning I am discussing here. But this is the way you can connect with your cards and you can create your story. Tarot is nothing but the storytelling. How nicely you are weaving your story, that is going to be wonderful reading for your client. So this is how we are doing the reading. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much.